Today I want to show you how to change the diverter spout for the tub. Before you start changing, obviously you need to remove the old one. And that's pretty easy. Most of them have this screw at the bottom, which is hex. Find the one that you need, the size, and gently unscrew it, and then twist it until it's at the top to make it for easy removal. Now, when you remove the old one, do not throw it out. That's very important because there are multiple types of diverter spouts. The one that's called slip-on, that's the one. So in my case, I just need to buy exactly like this to make it easy installation. So I just slip it on. So what we're gonna go with today is this brand new Moen diverter spout. It sells in a boxes like that. Then you want to make sure that the copper pipe, it has to be maximum 3-inch long from the wall to the end. What you want to do is hold this copper pipe. Additional tip, make sure if you have access at the back, it doesn't move much. So I have access from the side and I fixed it so I can push it in. If you don't have access, just be careful, so hold it with your hands and then just push in the spout gently. Okay. Till the end, and then take your hex and start tightening until you feel the resistance. Do not remove the hex and just gently turn it. So then you can continue tightening it up. Continue tightening. Do not over tighten. Okay, so this is how you install this spout. The key here is to install it gently, to make sure there is a very little gap here because they do not provide gaskets, or maybe you can just find a gasket I couldn't find. And you see, I was able to attach it very close. It's a very minor gap here. Probably I will just put a little bit of clear silicone around, and this will prevent any leaks whatsoever. Now I removed everything from this bathtub, so let's do a quick test. And since I have access to the back, I wanted to show you this setup. So it's not very tightly secured, but yeah, this pipe doesn't have much movement. Now let's test the actual diverter. So we put the water full pressure and then lift it entirely. So shut down the water. Boom. Again, checking for any leaks because we diverted the pressure from here back to this top pipe. No leaks, nothing on this towel, so the system works 100%. Thanks for watching. As usual, let me know what you think down below in the comments, and until the next one, cheers.